that nobody ever received any interference. मेरे आज तक के काम में I never received any, there has been no interference in the work that I've done so far. But this is telling us that there is something happening somewhere. So it doesn't mean that it's happened to me personally, but it's happening to the system, in that system that you want to fix.
My opinion is that those who cannot withstand the pressure, they should not sit on these chairs. इतना आप में character हो कि आप face करें.
With great respect, the pressure is always there. The culture of this institution is there. It is for courageous judges to stand up and not be bothered.
And not make complaints.
And it's not just, you see, again I will emphasize, the problem is the state and the state organs. When they become aggressive against the judges, जो जस्टिस बाबर के सतार के साथ पिछले कुछ दिनों में हुआ है, that is what happens.
ये क्या उनका
and that is the fear.
ये उनका कसूर था कि इन्होंने शिकायत की. एजी साहब, क्या उन 6 जजेस का ये कसूर था कि इन्होंने शिकायत की? शिकायत करने वाले के साथ ये हो रहा है, और अगर हम स्टैंड लेंगे तो उनके साथ क्या होगा? सोचें जरा.
And the high courts are confirming that is the culture of this institution.
My lord, all the more reason कि आपका एक institutional response आ रहा है वो, और ये जो अभी तक मैंने पढ़ा है.
अच्छा, मेरे ख्याल में देखिए अटॉर्नी जनरल
I'll read out Balochistan से.
No,
पेशावर का पढ़ें. पेशावर का पढ़ें.
पेशावर तो वो कहते हैं exactly क्या?
पेशावर का पढ़ेंगे जरा.
I think you start with page 2. शुरू में तो ऐसे ही.
जी.
At this juncture, CJP वगैरह.
और ये भी देखें ना, इसमें एक चीज जरा distinctions दिमाग में रखते जाएं. There are a number of things that are happening. There could be a threat perception, there could be a threat, there could be interference. Judge might not succumb to it, but there is pressure.
Yes.
प्लीज इसको जरा डिस्टिंक्शन रखें. एक है कि किसी को टच ही नहीं करते बिकॉज दे नो इसको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. किसी को ट्राई करे, टच करे, एंड ही डज नॉट सकम, बट देयर इज कांस्टेंट प्रेशर ऑन हिज माइंड, बट ही स्टिल नॉट सकमिंग टू इट. एंड देयर कुड बी अदर्स हु वी डोंट नो. सो इसलिए ये पढ़ेंगे तो ये आपको पेशावर से भी पता चलता है.
ये जरा गौर से पढ़ेंगे. दिस अलार्मिंग जो उन्होंने बातें की,
ये बहुत सीरियस है.
बहुत सीरियस.
पढ़ें जरा.
मैं
आप इस तरह करें, इधर पेज 2 से पढ़ें, उधर से शुरू होता है सारा.
पेज 2 से है. Similarly, the Supreme Judicial Council has the mandate under Article 209, Clause 8 of the Constitution to issue a code of conduct to be observed by judges of the Supreme Court and of the High Courts. The latest instrument in this regard issued by the Council is a notification dated 2/9/2009. Which was amended by the notification dated 4/3/2024 code. The code does not envisage any role of the Chief Justice of the respective High Courts to ensure alleviating the apprehension or complaint of any judge of the High Court when he receives any threat or influence from the executive or any organ of the executive relating to his judicial functions. Interference in the politics, functioning of Parliament and the judicial working of the superior judiciary by the executive organs of the state is an open secret. Some of the participants, judges, have expressed and shared the trauma which they underwent due to interference by the intelligence agencies when some political cases came up for hearing before the bench, which was presided over by them. They have also complained about the direct approach to them by the members of intelligence agencies seeking favor in decision of political cases. However, when the matter was decided impartially, they received light threats through non-state actors from the neighboring country Afghanistan. The matter was also discussed with the Counter-Terrorism Department with no progress. Similarly, this fact was also brought into the notice of all concerned at the highest level.
What do you say about this?
This is alarming. This is
very alarming.
आगे पढ़ें.
Very.
No, you can't. They cannot learn.
Not only just alarming.
आगे पढ़ लेते हैं ना. Let's finish it. Otherwise, we'll never finish the proceedings. जी आगे
At this juncture, we may refer to the judgments of the Apex Court in the case of Asghar Khan and Sumoto case number 7.
आगे उन्होंने सिर्फ judgment
नहीं पढ़ने देना.
Commonly known as Sumoto case number 7 of 2017, commonly known as Faizabad Dharna case, wherein the interference of intelligence agencies in political engineering have been deprecated. Some of the portions of the judgments for ease of reference are reproduced. The Directorate of the Inter-Services Intelligence was established during the premiership of Mr. Liaquat Ali Khan. The Directorate's first head, designated as the Director of Intelligence, was Brigadier S. Shahid Hamid. With very limited resources, the Directorate had managed to fulfill its assigned responsibilities, and it did so professionally and by strictly adhering to its prescribed mandate as disclosed